Hi guys, today I'm going to show you Phu Quoc Pearl shop. So this is all about how they make the pearl and where they can find, how they store all the coral fossils and everything. So this is the Phu Quoc Pearl shop, and this all the ceramic and then everything which they found in the ocean, and then they store in the second floor on the shop. This all is done like a thousand years ago, already grow. So which is they found on the underground sea, and they store on the uh, their store. So which is they can who can customer visit, they can see how they find out and how they store. This is how the pearls look, and this is how they fix into pearls in jewelry. And the one of the important part in here, uh, they can see how the pearls opening live, and then how they store, and how it look like black pearls, pink pearls, and silver pearls, everything. So this is the jewelries, like the world most expensive jewelries in the making Phu Quoc Island, Vietnam, and one of the luxury pearls and all the natural beauty they can find in this shop. I think it's really good to have you check every single step, how you make the pearl, how you open up and shining and cut off, and then how to fix to the jewelries. So this is the some earrings plus, and then necklace and all the jewelries. So this is the how they explain about the store on the sea. So they have boats, so they which is they under the boat, they found this everything they store here. And then this is the stone like corals, and the corals they have all the stone. So you can see now she's showing like blue color shelf. This is live one, and then which is different color and different of silver and the pink and black. So this is the black pearls, and this is the silver pearl. Silver pearl shells color like a silver color. And then now they're gonna show you how they open the shell and how they pick it up the pearl. So let's go to this is the how she pick up now like oyster, and then they open. She open with the knife and try to open slowly. So this is how they open it, and then they just remove the like the meat part, and she slowly find out the which we can find the pearls. So you see now, this is how they get in pearl. This is the pearl. So they clean up the water and see the bit like dry on the cloth, and then this is how pearl look like. It's similar to silver pearl, yeah. So this is the how they pick up the pearls from the live. So this is the really one of the good experience. I also never seen this. I was in first time and have this experience. I would like to invite you to try this one, and if you haven't tried, and this is one of the best experience, because you can see how the pearls opening and how the pearls pick it up, how they shining, how they make the jewelry, how they grow up the pearls, so everything. So hope you guys enjoy this subscription, and you will see the more videos upcoming in Vietnam and Phu Quoc and wherever I travel. So